Swan Bitcoin CEO, Cory Klippsten. All right, Cory, so obviously you're exposed to Bitcoin. You want it to do well. You're not coming in as a neutral party. Make the bull case for Bitcoin and other cryptos right now.
Brian, you're the lucky charm for Bitcoin, and we're here to usher in a nice new rally in 2026. So yeah, it has been a rough fall right after a nice rise. Remember, we actually touched 73K before that rise up to 126, and now we're settling into kind of the high 80s. It's been bouncing between 85 and 90, maybe 91 for a couple of weeks now. You know, I think the bigger story, if I zoom out, is these 4-year cycles that we got so used to in the Bitcoin space, where there was a bull market peak in 2013, 2017, 2021, followed by the price never actually reaching that level the following year. So there was never a time in 2014 where the price surpassed that high of 2013. Same thing for 18 versus 17, same thing for 22 versus 21 with the FTX collapse and all of that. And I think because we didn't see this astronomical price rise in 2025 that you might have expected if you still believed in those halving driven cycles or liquidity driven cycles or whatever it was that was causing that 4-year cycle, because there wasn't an astronomical rise, it's hard to imagine some precipitous fall from here. It seems like there's plenty of institutional money and government money on the bid and lots of people buying and more people coming in. Adoption in Bitcoin is kind of a one-way motion. People don't tend to get into Bitcoin and then get out of it. They generally stick. It's just a matter of how much they buy. And so I think we have more than a 50% chance, is how I handicap it, of a new all-time high in 2026. So I actually do expect that we'll see above 125K next year.
Above 125K. This might be a little bit off topic. And by the way, I love being a lucky charm. It's better than the Grim Reaper. Yeah. Right? No. Which is this. A lot of these Bitcoin miners, the Cyphers of the world, TeraWulfs, Hut 8s, whatever they are, they've gone more now to AI power. They're not leaving Bitcoin mining, but the focus has been elsewhere. Does that actually help or hurt the Bitcoin case if fewer huge industrial miners are going after that ledger?
Look, the Bitcoin mining space is always so dynamic, and there is a nice interplay between smaller scale miners and these larger institutional industrial scale miners. And yeah, you are absolutely right. There has been tremendous stock performance by the Bitcoin mining stocks that have leaned into AI over the last few years. And you see even some of the larger ones like Core Scientific, which came out of bankruptcy famously and has had a nice little run here. I think they've just come out and said that they're going to be 100% HPC by 2028 or 2029. So they want to get out of Bitcoin mining completely. All this does is just create more opportunity. And remember, just because hash rate might fall or go up or whatever, it doesn't really change the security model of Bitcoin, and it really doesn't change anything about the price. The hash rate and sort of what it costs to mine a Bitcoin is a lagging indicator. It's something that actually follows the price, not the other way around.